Oh shit, what's that in?
Yeah.
You gotta say action. Before we start, I gotta say action so I'm ready to go.
I did a thumbs up.
Okay. You should just say action from now on, so I know when to go. Otherwise, I don't know where to go. Alright, what we got today?
Takeout.
We got some takeout.
Burger.
So we're gonna be eating. We're gonna be eating hard. Where did we get it from? I forgot his name.
Burger House.
It's Burger House. Yeah, it's just on the road in the middle of the town. It's supposed to be good, but I've never been there. Have you been there? Okay. It's supposed to be pretty good. What is this?
That's
Sugar free? We don't do sugar free. It's sugar free now. Okay, so today we have 4 different burgers. We're gonna try them out, rating and whatnot. So we have the normal Simply Grilled burger. We have the Oz. I don't know what they all have. We have the Oz right here. They actually have labels. We have. What the fuck is this? Oh, okay, this is the sloppy one. This is the. What does that say? Oh, I think that's the simple. What does that one say? Oh shit! It comes out. Oh, make sure they see that. Make sure they see that.
That's very cool.
That's good. That's good. So. Alright. So check this out. Check this out. Open it like a normal box, and then boom! Whoa! Yeah, that's the sloppy. That is sloppy, alright. It's we're gonna get dirty here. We're gonna get dirty. We're gonna get down. What's now? Oh, what else we have? What else we ordered?
Onion.
Oh, onion rings, nice. Okay, these burgers.
How many burgers did you buy?
4. I told you 4 burgers.
Egg.
Yeah, that's the one I wanted.
Beetroot. You can have it.
Beetroot sauce. I mean, just a simple. Look how much smaller it looks from these monstrosities.
Amazing.
Okay, we got sloppy. We got double. Okay, that's the Oz. I don't know what the fuck this is. The American one got some egg in there. That's just normal burger. So we're gonna eat them. We're gonna enjoy ourselves eating them. Oh, we have this. What's this? Fried onions. It's nice. But there's no rings. I wanted the actual rings. It will do. It will do.
Some extra cheese.
Extra cheese.
Okay, can I start eating or just
Yeah, you can start eating.
Do
Sorry.
too much cheese. 1, 2.
Today I'm the one saying this. We need to finish this. We need to finish this. We're gonna get dirty.
Just the burger first.
Monstrosity. Is the burger nice at least? Shall we get some a knife and a fork? Knife and a fork. We don't do knives and forks. I know. Get this puppy open.
It has bacon. Bacon's crispy. Barbecue sauce.
No, I'm gonna start with the normal burger. I take the pickles out because I'm not a pickle person. Oh, that sauce is nice. Dang. This sauce. What?
No, it's spicy. No.
No. Really?
The taste is spicy.
Oh, spicy.
The taste is spicy.
It's not spicy at all. One of them is supposed to be spicy. I think it's the sloppy one. Look how sloppy this is. I can't get over this. Look at it. Just.
No, we're getting there.
Oh, is this the spicy stuff?
Spicy? Yeah?
Yeah.
Scrape it out.
Oh shit! Yeah, you're gonna hate that. Oh. Yeah, that is very spicy. For me. Can you get like a spoon or something? I'll get it. You sure? Nice. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to eat that. 100% not.
Not.
100% not. As soon as you put that in your mouth, you're going to struggle. I guarantee it. Okay? Good. Have a taste.
No, just the other ones first.
On your side.
The egg beetroot burger.
Yeah.
Not sure about this.
I'm definitely gonna scrape that off. Jalapeno life for me. No. Oh,
How would they
some
ruin it
onions.
with beetroot? Why do I do that?
I'm still gonna try it.
Yeah. Beetroot pineapple.
Yeah. yeah.
Oh!
It's the American one.
The odds. So let's deconstruct this. So egg, pineapple.
Oh, it's like a legit. Oh, show them this, Adam. Show them this.
What?
The pineapple.
Yeah,
Look at
it's
it.
an actual pineapple.
It's an actual goddamn pineapple in the middle of the burger.
Cheese and
What?
yeah. Let me just see.
You gonna put it back?
No, eat the burger.
How is it? Put the pineapple in there. With the pineapple? No? Let's have a try.
On the pizza, okay, but
I think it's the beetroot that doesn't really go in for me for this one. So far, the original one is the nicest because it tastes like a nice normal burger that is not spicy.
not bad.
Okay.
Bacon burger, extra cheese.
Whoa, not fun. Leave a little bit for me.
I'll leave a little bit. I will leave a little bit.
There's nothing almost left. Unbelievable. This is what I get.
It's my creation.
This is your creation.
I got the cheese.
You wanted it? Cheese, that's not a
It's
creation.
the creation. They made the burger. They made it so much better. 1,000 times better.
It's a
1,000
burger.
times better.
It's a burger with bacon on it.
And extra cheese.
That already had cheese.
Special cheese. They make a cheese sandwich.
Hmm? The sauce is nice.
Well, it's spicy. I can put the spice too.
And I took it out. You definitely wouldn't be able to handle that. No way. With your intolerance to spiciness, this is in my mouth. Jesus. That's alright, that's alright. So how is this one? There's lots of, what is this? Cream cheese? Cream cheese. Yeah. I agree.
Normal burger with nothing.
Yeah, but it tastes nice. Trust me. Just have a bite. Dig right in. Get nasty with it. Hmm?
Burger.
What?
Yeah, the pineapple didn't work. No.
Yeah.
On a
I
pizza
don't feel
though.
it.
You work.
On pizza. That's alright. Well, I have nothing against it, but you know how some people are like, pineapple on pizza? I have nothing against pineapple on pizza.
The Hawaiian.
What I have against is shit like fish on pizza, like tuna bits or some shit, or mackerel.
I had tuna
It's
bits.
nasty.
Not nasty.
Actually, I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. What is this? Burger sauce, I think. None of that for me. Thank you. None of that for me. See that one? Nice, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like it. Can you stop that?
What?
No burger. No burger. You're leaving me bread.
Teamwork. Work on that teamwork. Oh, it's too spicy.
Oh, did you do the spicy bit?
Too spicy. Mm.
What?
Your boss is a bit dirty.
I feel it. There we go. All clean. It's like I just took a shower.
Back. The onion thing is nice.
Yeah, it's alright. It's not actual onion. It's just like little, tiny little bits of onion.
It is onion.
Yeah. You very clearly said fried onion rings. That is not a ring.
Okay.
It's most definitely not a ring.
Maybe.
You ate it. You ate the burger inside of it.
Just double checking that no one make
It's a little bit of bacon there.
too much beetroot in this bacon.
Yeah, I felt that too.
Not feeling it. Not feeling the beef. So which is the best? This is the best. Which one is it?
For me, this is the best.
The Dominator.
That was the most expensive one.
Dominator.
Just that was like £10.
No, okay.
All the other ones were less, considerably less. This was, I think,
From
5.
From now on, the
This was
Dominator
8, and I
is
think
very
this
good.
was. Oh, you're right. Okay.
Yeah, very good.
I can't really judge it properly because I only had one bite of it.
It was good. No, I left you more than one
You
bite.
left me maximum 2 bites.
Yeah, two and a half bites maybe. With cheese, with extra special cheese I left for you.
1 layer of normal cheese.
Special cheese, he made it special. That's what about the 7-Up, no sugar.
Tastes like same 7-Up. Yep, exact same thing. You tell me that that's different.
Just the same.
No sugar. What do they have inside of sugar? Look at it.
I don't know. It's stuff.
Stuff, thanks.
Okay.
Sciencey things.
Science.
They worked it out.
Yeah. You see the nerds working it out? We drink it. That's it. That's our job.
I forgot what it was, but there's one company that if you put like less than a few grams of sugar, you can say that it's sugar free or something along those lines.
Okay, yeah, right.
That's fucked up.
No,
It's not just sugar.
No,
It's just that it has less than the
no.
allowed whatever it is. Oh, sorry. We're gonna finish that.
No, there's nothing to finish. Where's the meat? It's spicy.
Because you ate it!
Yes, but we need more meat. We need more meat, man. It's just go back, call them, tell them we want to exchange this for another piece of meat, please.
Yeah, tell them
Because
that.
it's too spicy. We couldn't eat it.
Oh, tell them.
We couldn't eat it because it's too spicy.
You knew you was gonna do spicy the second I said it. You had jalapenos. How'd you say it? Jalapenos? Jalapenos?
I think the second one.
Jalapenos. Spelled with a J. No. Okay. Let's straight it up because that's all we're here to do. We're here to review and rate.
We're here to eat.
Review and rate. It's a review rate channel.
Okay, I'm gonna say this is the best Dominator. This is the worst. This is not good.
Sorry, best.
Yep.
Worst. Okay.
This is just a normal burger.
I thought that was nice. Yeah.
This
I like it.
is ruined by the beetroot and
Yeah, beetroot and pineapple. What are you trying to do, man? What are you trying to do?
this
Come on.
is no good. It's just too spicy.
It would have been good because I
Without
like
the
the
spicy,
flavorings,
yeah,
but without
without
the fucking jalapenos.
It's
So
like meat. Oh, is this meat?
yeah, it's chili.
Oh,
Don't use that spoon though, or use the spoon. Use the spoon.
No, there's meat still left. It's
How about you
spicy?
put it on the burger and then you eat it?
Yeah, but this is spicy.
It's not spicy. I can switch it off. Just try it. Just try it. How is it? I put it to the side
It's a
so
good
it
meat.
doesn't-
It's a good
okay.
meat, man. Good.
Whenever we do like the KFC one, it's gonna be bad for you. You're gonna eat it like a goddamn white person. Leaving all chicken on the bones and shit. That's gonna be good. Okay, for me, yeah, it's the same. Dominator first, because that was quite nice. From what I had from it, was nice.
Plenty.
I think like 2 bites maximum. Then the normal burger, that was nice. This was too spicy. If it didn't have the spice, I would have liked it. And then beetroot and pineapple. What are you playing at? What are you playing at? It was nice without it, in all fairness, but... And the rings were okay.
They were very good.
Not rings.
They were just not fresh. As fresh as they need to be.
Oh yeah,
Good.
that's what we got. When I moved it, I was in it. All right. The sign of satisfaction. When one is satisfied, you can go.
That's very decent.
There you go. Are we gonna come here again to buy these things?
Yeah. It was pretty quick to get here. So.
I wouldn't pay this much for all this. I don't know.
No, but if you
But
go
then
to a
it's the
normal,
burgers.
normal burger like the Five Guys, you pay the same for the.
Oh, Five Guys is nice though.
But this was nice.
They're like juicy burgers, Five Guys. And they just opened one near us a few months ago actually, so we should pop down there.